The scale and the size of the mill is something you just don't appreciate unless you're standing under it. And it's been here for almost 100 years, and it'll be here for another 100 years, because that's the way we build stuff in Pittsburgh. Hazelwood Green is an amazing site, but it was a steel mill and a coke works, so there were environmental issues. They all had to be dealt with and resolved before you could go vertical with development. There was this 1,500-foot long rusting metal structure that kind of was an eyesore, but also an icon. And so we were confronted with the challenge of how do we preserve the icon and turn it into something really positive on site.
MSR Architects out of Minneapolis, St. Paul provided an option that we didn't even think about, putting the buildings within the building, keeping the exoskeleton, and using it as a solar shed.
The thought of putting solar panels across a quarter-mile long building, which is the largest sloped roof solar panel installation in the entire country, in and of itself presented a really tremendous opportunity for the foundation.
It is generating power for the 2 buildings that are already built and will provide power to the 3rd building as well.
All the stormwater from this site runs into a channel all along the length of the building. That water all flows into cisterns for gray water use.
Mill 19, for the Benedum Foundation and for many of the people that have been working on this project, is a really big opportunity to transform this site into something that contributed to a larger economic movement for the city and the county.
One of our hallmarks is brownfield reclamation and redevelopment. Here at Hazelwood Green, Mill 19, we bring together the environmental remediation, the historic preservation, and the new cutting-edge companies and jobs.
If you stand out here in an afternoon, you'll see the bald eagles swirling above the site. The resilience and rebuilding of Mill 19, integrated with the community, housing the new technology of the future, is really emblematic of Pittsburgh.